This morning, I'm reminding myself that progress doesn't always look like what I imagined. Sometimes it looks like taking work that humbles you. Sometimes it looks like starting over when you thought you'd already arrived. Sometimes it looks like rebuilding your life one small step, $1, and one opportunity at a time. And even when the path feels unfamiliar, it is still leading somewhere meaningful. Over the past year, I've had moments of uncertainty, moments of exhaustion, moments where I wondered if all the years of experience, education, and dedication still mattered. But they do. Nothing I've built has been lost. The knowledge is still mine. The wisdom is still mine. The compassion, the expertise, and the purpose that have guided me for decades are still very much intact. This season is not a reflection of my worth. It is simply a chapter of rebuilding. And rebuilding requires faith. It requires patience. It requires the courage to trust that temporary circumstances do not define a permanent identity. Some mornings, moving forward means taking giant leaps. Other mornings, it means getting up, trying again, and believing that the work I'm doing today is preparing me for what I've been called to do tomorrow. I am not starting from scratch. I am starting from experience. I'm carrying everything I've learned, everything I've survived, and everything I've become. And that makes this new beginning far more powerful than the first. So this morning, I choose to honor the journey. I choose to trust that every small effort matters. I choose to believe that what feels like a detour may actually be the road that leads me home to myself. Every setback has refined me. Every challenge has strengthened me. Every step forward, no matter how small, is part of my restoration. I am not lost. I am becoming. And I have the audacity to believe that where I am headed is greater than anything I have left behind. I am restoring my life with intention and stepping fully into the woman I was always meant to become. Sometimes the bravest thing we can do is keep moving forward, trusting that what we're building today will one day make perfect sense.